Presenting the POAD Airdopes 121V2 True Wireless Earbuds with up to 14 hours playback, lightweight earbuds, 8 drivers, LED indicators and multifunction controls. Cherry Blossom. The headphones comes in color options of Active Black, Cherry Blossom, and Midnight Blue. It comes with dual tone, TWS earbuds and True Wireless earbuds. True Wireless earbuds and True Wireless experience for real-time audio with Bluetooth V5.0. It also features powerful 8mm drivers, battery indicator and easy access multifunction button controls with stereo calling feature. Overall seamless user experience, instant voice assistant and just a single press of the multifunction button. The delivery box contains Airdopes 121V2, additional earbuds and charging cable. User manual and warranty. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.